So now I'm getting ready to frame in this wall for the pocket door, and I attach these things called a split jamb. This is, you see one over here, it's a board's about 1.5 inches wide. It's where you attach the drywall to. And you can see this one here, this one on the other side, it has backing by this 2x4. But I need to set another pair over here, right there. And of course there's no backing here, there's just insulation. So I'm going to put some more 2x4s, 3 of them, behind this one. And it'll extend out here. We'll have 2x4 running here, and here you can see there's an electrical line. Where's that? Down a little farther. Right there, there's electrical line. So I'm going to go 2x4 here, 3 of them here to there, 3 of them here to there, and I'm going to attach them to this board with screws going this way. And then when I'm all done with that, you want to make sure you don't have any problems when you seal this drywall up. So this insulation needs to be pushed back with some plywood panels. 3/8 inch thick is better because 1/4 inch is too flexible. It's a little stiff. So I'm going to put some plywood panels in here to push this, keep this insulation from interfering with the door. So here I've got the framing of this pocket door in. I installed all the hardware. Here you can see I use this power actuated nail gun. There's the head of that nail where I drove the nail through the concrete to secure this little bracket here. And also I glued this with a construction adhesive. I glued this board here, and then also reinforced it with some angle brackets. Also glued with construction adhesive. So I'm almost ready to put the drywall on and mount this thing. Over here, this one post was bowed out. So there you can see I put some construction adhesive to glue it in there, and there's a clamp right there, and I got a clamp down there, right down there too. There's another one. So this was bowing toward the camera, so I put some construction adhesive in there and glued that in there. I'll probably try to put some screws at an angle to further secure that. And another thing notice is up on here where you secure these posts, that nail, because it's at the edge of that post, it's really important to pre-drill that so you don't split the end of that jamb there. So I pre-drilled it, and I used a nail which they call shank. It's got these ridges that go around the post, the pole of the nail. They grip the wood real strong, and I also put some glue on there before I drill that nail in there.